Hello and welcome back, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. This morning we are going to do a walk around, startup, and a drive video for you on a 1953 Buick Roadmaster. This car is a two-door hardtop Roadmaster. It has been completely restored. It's probably been restored for 15, 20 years, and it still shows great today. This door is not closed, by the way. Just might as well start and show you the interior. The body, paint, interior in this car are very, very nice. It's a 75,000 mile car. Interior is just absolutely gorgeous. Headliner, package tray, seats, visors, dashboard. Just an absolute beautiful example of one of these cars. It is a four-holer. I know when I was a kid, my dad would always tell me that the four-holers were the top of the line. You see how nice the doors open and shut on the car. Got a Fireball V8 engine in it. I think it's a 331 Nailhead, they call it. Does have vintage air conditioning and heat. Power steering, power brakes. The chrome and trim on this car are absolutely beautiful. It's got the Coker wide white walls on it. See all that stainless trim around the windows is all very nice. The door handles are very nice. This car was the Best of Show Indy World of Wheels winner. I'll show you inside the trunk here in a minute, and I'll show you all these awards. Beautiful inside the trunk. There's the air conditioning unit, spare tire and jack. Best Buick in 2016. Bunch of magazines, literature, information on the car. It's just a stunning car. The trunk light even works. See? Everything lines up nice, everything fits nice. Paint's very nice. I don't see any bubbles or blisters. The undercarriage of this car is absolutely gorgeous as well. And I will put it up on the hoist here in just a little while and take some pictures of that too. But you can just see how nice the chrome is on it. Man, just to do the chrome, stainless, and bright work on this car would be astronomical if you had to restore it like they did. You know, and if it was done, this car was restored 15, 20, 25 years ago. I mean, just think of what that would cost today to do the same restoration. Not sure if the radio works on the car or not. Everything tunes. Sometimes you got to wait for them to warm up a little bit, so we'll see if that comes on. It's got all power windows in the car. Thought I just heard that radio come on. Purrs like a kitten. AC compressor works. Just an awesome car. Feel the air is cold in there. I always thought these cars were so cool. Back in the day, we had an old 53 Buick Special that we had bought, and I always wanted to restore that car and just never got around to it. And honestly, you can restore these cars, or you can buy these cars a lot cheaper than what you can restore them. It costs so much money to do a restoration these days. That's why, you know, a lot of people still do it, you know, and they'll invest $150,000, $200,000 in a car, and then, you know, that's how I like to buy them. I like to let somebody else spend all that money on them and then buy them for about half the money they got in restoring them. If you wanted to restore this car to the condition it's in right now, I mean, you'd spend, by the time you bought the car and made it look like this, man, you'd spend $120,000, you know. Speedometer works, the gauges work. It drives just awesome too. All the windows go up and down on the car. When I first got it, this driver's side window didn't want to go up, and well, I bought it and the window went up and down, and then when I got it home, I was monkeying with it and the window didn't go up or down, so I had to take it apart to fix this switch. The switch was a little bit sticky on it, so that happens. Beautiful day here in Clarence, Iowa. We've had some terrible rainstorms and thunderstorms here the last several days, and so finally we got a really nice day where I was able to get some of these cars out and do some pictures and videos. That's why I'm going the other way right today, because we've had some flooding, and usually my little roadside park turnaround spot that I like to go to is pretty much flooded out, so I'm going out east of town here for a few videos today. Give everybody a little bit more of a scenic, different drive anyway. Very, very nice. You can drive this car down the road with 2 fingers. I'm gonna price this car. I'm gonna price the car at $49,900, and I think that's a very, very fair price for this car. Like I said, it costs you double that to find it and restore it. Get out here real quick and I'll do a little walk around. Make sure that hood's slammed down all the way. It's got an inside hood release on it, and the hood release wasn't pushed in all the way when I slammed that hood down, so make sure I can see that it's up a little bit, so we don't want to lose a hood. If that came up, that'd be a bad situation. There we go. Now she's latched down. Just check this beautiful car out though. 1953 Buick Roadmaster, 2-door hardtop. What a stunning automobile. You want to talk about class. This is class. The stainless trim and the bright work and all the chrome. Wowzer. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. Give us a call and check out this gorgeous 53 Buick Roadmaster. Brakes are adjusted very, very well in this car. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great day. And check out our website. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have not already. Talk to you soon.